Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix a TCL Roku TV remote that's not working, including pairing and button issues.
Fix 1. Check remote batteries. Step 1. Remove the batteries from the remote. Step 2. Insert new or fully charged batteries. Step 3. Make sure the plus and ends are placed correctly. Fix 2. Restart your TCL Roku TV. Step 1. Turn off the TV. Step 2. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Step 3. Wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 3. Pair the Roku remote. Step 1. Open the battery cover on the remote. Step 2. Press and hold the pairing button for 5 seconds. Step 3. Wait for the pairing message on the TV screen. Fix 4. Remove interference. Step 1. Move closer to the TV. Step 2. Remove objects blocking the TV sensor. Step 3. Turn off nearby wireless devices temporarily.